Hello guys, welcome back to knitting catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today we are going to go into knitting of Christmas stockings. The stockings is going to be for 8 years old, in between 7 to 8 years old. So that's going to be the measurement we are knitting together today, and the measurement is going to be 28 by 28 needles. So you can see 28 by 28 needles. This is the needles right here. But before we go ahead, I want to say, if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, you are welcome. Please subscribe and let's have fun together in knitting catalog. And if you are a existing subscriber, thank you for following. I really appreciate. So guys, let's go back to today's business. So I'm going to go into rib one by one right now. So we are starting from the top of the stockings. So I'm going to select my needle to rib one by one. So that's it guys, and I'm going to use white to knit rib one by one, and I'm going to rib 40 rows with tension 4. So going to tension 4 right now, then the antenna can always take two colors. So I'm going to hold this right now and knit with tension 4 40 rows. So guys, this is 40 rows right now with tension 4. I'm going to fold it right now. So guys, you can see what we have after folding the rib. So right now, I'm going to use this, my little Christmas tree punch card. I'm going to use it for this stockings pattern for Christmas. So guys, I'm going to start with the body of the stockings right now by knitting 56 rows. I said earlier that this stocking is for 7 to 8 years old child. So I'm going to install this, but I need to show you, and this is the pattern I'm going to use. So right now I'm going to do away with the white yarn and start my 56 rows of Christmas pattern right now. So I'm going to change my tension back to 6 and knit 4 rows of this red color right now. Tension 6, knit 4 rows. 2, 3, 4. So that's what we have right now. I'm going to select my pattern by leaving 3 and push 1 to E position, just like honeycomb pattern. That's it. Then press this to hold, and I'm going to remove this and use white color to knit 4 rows right now. 2, 3, 4. So you can see what we have. That's I've started knitting my 56 rows of pattern right now before the shaping of the stockings. So I'm going to push them to E position, because I didn't hang any weight on it. So I'm going to push them to check so that I will not have any stitches that is dropping. After making sure the stitches are okay, I'm going to knit another 4 rows of red. And close this to knit all the needles right now. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to stop at 3 rows right now because I want you to see what is happening at this side. So this is the punch card. The stocking is turning upside down. So I'm going to turn my punch card like this and install. Then I've already searched for where the punch card is starting from. This is row 12, so I'm going to use large button of this punch card knitting, to make it 24 rows, to make it a little bit bigger. So it's going to be 24 rows. So I'm going to start at this place that I've marked. That's the starting of the card right now. So I'm going to install, and row in the card. That's it. And start to roll down to where I have that 51 there. So you can see then the card is on hold. I've not gotten to where I'm going to start using card, but I just want to install it and keep it. So you can see what we have there. So back to this area right now, I have to knit 4 rows. So this is row 3. Then the 4th row right now. Then I'm going to go to color green and knit 2 rows. All this is from my 56 rows I need to knit before shaping for the heel of the stockings. So knit 2 rows of this. Then I'm going to go back to red and knit 4 rows. With these 4 rows right now, I'm going to select the punch card knitting. I'm going to inform my machine I'm going into punch card knitting with these 4 rows of red right now. So I'm going to knit 1, 2, 3. Then the number 4 is going to turn this knob to inform my machine, and already my punch card is being fixed and directly to the point that the Christmas tree is going to be coming out. So I'm going to knit 1 row right now to inform the machine I'm going into punch card knitting. So you can see the beginning of the Christmas tree right there. So I'm going to open the card to large. That's it. Here is the large. Then that's the setting I need to do to make the Christmas tree a little bit bigger. So guys, what I need to do is to press this button at the center, and install the second color, because it's for 2 color knitting. Install the second color. And if you are knitting, I've already checked that on my punch card to know the background color, because I want the green to take the Christmas tree and I want the red as the background color. So you have to check on your punch card which one is going to be the background color and which one is going to be the motif color. So I've checked that, so this is in order. So right now I'm going to knit out the Christmas tree. Then after knitting out the Christmas tree, I have to start covering it up with this to balance my design. So let's go right now. This is the end of the punch card knitting. So beautiful. I can't wait to see the Christmas tree. So you can see what we have, guys. So right now you can see, no matter how small punch card is still going to knit out something. So you can see what we have. So it's out of this space and it's outside at the back, so it still work fine. So guys, right now I'm going to remove the green color right now and off all the punch card knitting. So that's it. Then I'm going to start to knit back down, what the design I have here, to cover it up. So right now I'm going to knit 4 rows of red. The tension is still 6 tension 6. Don't forget, guys, this is 2, 3, 4. Then go back to green, then 2 rows of green, 1, 2. Then I'm coming back to this 4 rows right now of red, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then forming this white design, right? Honeycomb, 1, 2, just pushing the needle out to E, then carriage on hold, then changing my yarn right now to white, and knit 4 rows. Then I'm going to cut it off because the gap is so far. And then knit 4 rows right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. I'm going to try to push it out so that I will not miss any or lose any stitches right now. So push them out. That's it, guys. Then I'm going to change the yarn to red and knit 4 rows. Press this to work and knit 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we have as the body of the stockings right now. So right now I'm going to divide the work into 2, and I'm going to knit another extra 1 row to come here because I want to work on this side. So this is 4, then I'm coming with extra 1 row to make it 5 so that my carriage can be here. That is, you start shaping different legs at right or left side. So I would like to start shaping from here. So I'm going to come to this side 1 row and push this right side of the machine to hold, divide the work into 2 and push this needle side on hold. Then right now I'm going to cut off this. I'm going to start to shape for the heel of the stockings right now, then I'm going to use white and press this to hold. I'm going to make sure I push one of this needle, the one that is close to the carriage, push it on hold and knit 1 row. The carriage is already on hold right now. Then I'm going to push this out. That is, anywhere my carriage is, I'm going to be pushing 1 needle out, to here and knit 1 row. So I'm going to knit 1 row right now. Then here, knit. So I'm going to continue knitting in this way till my needle remains 10 needles. I'm going to continue pushing at the side of the carriage 1 needle to E and knit 1 row till my needles remain 10 needles. Then I'm going to hang that, then push. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10 needles remaining, guys. 10 needles remaining. So I'm going to be returning the needle back the same way I brought them out. So at this side, I'm going to push this in and knit 1 row. Then this in. So guys, you can see what we have right now, guys. So this is being created, the heels of the stocking. And so I'm going to knit all the needles right now and knit 40 rows before, knitting up the toes. So 40 rows right now, and I'm going to be knitting in my Christmas colors. So I'm going to put this to work, carriage on working position, and change my yarn. Then I'll be knitting in 2 rows of each color that I'm using. 2 rows. I'm using green right now because this I'm having red and this is white, so I want something different from the two colors that I'm having on the bed right now. So I'm going to go ahead and knit right now. 1, 2, so you can see. Then using white right now. 1, 2, then red. 1, 2. So back to green. So guys, at 40 right now, but my carriage needs to be here, so the next color is going to be red. So I'm going to knit 1 row down to the right side right now. Then that's it. So I'm going to repeat what I knitted here. So I'm going to push this to hold right now, and I'm going to work on this area right now, just the same way I work here. So I'm going to go ahead right now and put my carriage on hold. Then I'm going to do away with the red color, even the green color. That's it. And work with white yarn. So I'm going to push this to hold and knit 1 row right now. This is on hold. Then 1 row, then this on hold and knit 1 row. Then I'm going to continue in this way till my needle remains 10 needles. Then I'm going to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now guys, I'm going to be pushing them back in. So push this back in, knit 1 row, back in, 1 row. So you can see what we have right now, guys. Then I'm going to close up this and bind off. So I'm going to bind off. So I'm going to knit 2 rows right now. 1 row in tension 6 to close this needle right now. Then change my tension back to 10 and knit 1 row to bind off. So that's the end of the stockings, guys. So I'm going to sew to fit. Then the second leg, the joining have to be the inner part of the leg. So the second leg I'm going to knit same way, but when it gets to shaping of this side, I have to start here first, then this the last one. So that's it, guys.